All right, hey artists and musicians, I'm in my hotel room right now in Boise. My sister's actually asleep back there. She probably hates me right now for doing this, but I'm about to show you guys how to shoot and edit an ad like super quickly with your phone, like super minimalistic. We don't have any special lighting. I have no microphones. I have nothing. This is how I started out doing my first ads, reaching my first $1 million with literally just ads that I shot on my cell phone. But I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So first, couple tips, right? I like to shoot different angles, switch angles every like sentence or two, right? So if you say a few sentences here, say a few sentences here, say a few sentences here, it keeps the momentum going and it keeps people's attention because you're changing scenes. So if you do something like that, the more you can change scenes like dramatically, the better. But I've shot ads where literally I'm doing something simple like in a room and they've performed great. So don't worry if that's all you have, work with what you have. Use what you got. All right, so I'm going to open my phone and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to be shooting and editing within Instagram. This is one way that I do this. I do this all the time. And it's not like the professional, you're supposed to do it this way, but I do it all the time and I've made a whole bunch of money doing it. So I'm going to show you guys the easiest, laziest way to shoot an ad right now. So I use Instagram because there's filters on Instagram. I am not going to lie. As you notice, this has put makeup on me. It's given me great lighting and it's made my skin look fabulous. And what's amazing about this is I save hours of getting ready. Ladies, you know, I don't want to spend 2 hours getting ready to shoot a 60-second ad. I just don't. I have other things that I'd rather be doing in my business. So I'm showing you guys how to do this right now, okay? Hey artists and musicians, are you tired of doing free shows? What if I told you there was 3,448 festivals all around the United States that not only like want to hire you, but also put money aside to pay independent artists to perform on their stages? The only thing is, you don't know which festivals those are. Well, that's where I come in. Listen up. I have a mega list of 3,448 fairs and festivals that pay artists to perform for their already existing crowds. I have a list of 3,488 festivals all around the United States that pay artists to perform for their already existing crowds. And if you're an artist and you're tired of performing for free and want to hit stages, share your music, and build your fan base, all you got to do is click that link to learn more. Let's get you on some awesome stages so you can be sharing your gifts and talents with the world. Click that link. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey artists and musicians, are you tired of... Now, obviously that is not perfect, right? But I'm just going to show you guys. That would be a quick way to get people's attention. I'm going to show you how to edit it right now. Let's do this. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to CAPCUT. So I'm going to open CAPCUT right here. This is what it looks like. You can download this for free. And then you're going to go to New Project right here. And then I'm going to put in the video that I just shot. So here's the video that I just shot. Hey artists and musicians, are you tired of doing free shows? What if I told you there was 3,448 right. I'm going to hit this ad right here. And then I'm going to watch it. Now, if you notice here, there's a button called Edit here. And when you hit Edit, there's an option to split. So now that you know how we shot it all the way through? Well, we need to cut out those parts where I'm like moving my hands to like move the angles, right? So that's what we're going to do right now. So I hit split, so let's hit play. Hey artists and musicians, are you tired of doing free shows? So I'm gonna hit pause and then I'm gonna hit split right there. Now I'm gonna hit play again, okay? Because I hit split, so now it created it where I'm gonna take out the next part. Watch this. So right there, I'm gonna move this over just a little bit, split. And I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna hit delete because that was the part where I'm like moving the camera angle. So let's see how that looks. Free shows? What if I told you there was 3,400? Yeah, so it's already getting closer. 3,448 festivals all around the United States that not only like want to... And see right there, I want to get rid of that like whole like, right? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to move it back and then let's just move forward. Oop. And then let's just see what it sounds like. Okay, let's just see. Not only like want to hire you, but also... So let's get rid of that like. Let's see if I got rid of it. That not only want to hire you, but also put money aside to pay independent artists to perform on their stages. So we're going to cut that, right? Because I'm moving. So right about there, I'm going to edit, split. So I'm going to like move this. I can see that in the camera I wasn't ready yet. And then I can see my mouth move there. So I may have it. Let's see. On their stages. The only thing is, now I'm going to try to get it right up to, this is called jump cutting. You want to get rid of as much space as you possibly can so that it goes right into the next words. Watch this. On their stages. The only thing is, you don't know. We can get even closer. Let's get just even a little closer. Let's see. Perform on their stages. The only thing is, You don't know which festivals those are. Well, that's where I come in. Listen up. Pause. So I'm gonna hit edit and split once again. I'm gonna get rid of all of this stuff. Okay, so let's move back a little bit and play it. I come in, listen up. I have a mega list of 3,448 fairs and festivals that pay artists to perform for their already existing crowds. All right, pause, edit, split. Do you see I'm just like doing the same thing over and over again? So I'm gonna get rid of a little space here, move it over with my finger, and then I'm gonna watch this. I'm just gonna see what I gotta do. Existing crowds. I have a list of 3,488 festivals all around the United States that pay artists to perform for their already existing crowds. Oh, okay. If you're an artist and you're tired, right there I did it twice. So let me see here. Already existing crowds. Pause, split. And so earlier I said the exact same thing, so it looks like I did it twice. That pay artists to perform for their already. So I'm just going to delete that one since that's a double. So I'm going to hit pause and I'm going to hit the delete button right here. And now let's see how it goes. Listen up. I have a list of 3,480. So we're just going to try to make it as close as possible. Obviously, I'm going to just try to like go through this a little, fast, but you're going to want to make it as close as possible where there's no space in between. Already existing crowds. And if you're an artist and you're tired. So let's click this and let's. Artists to perform for their already existing crowds. And if you're an artist and you're. Existing crowds. If you're an artist and you're tired. So, yep, there we go. And then we're going to move this one over a little bit as well. I could have done a better job at not moving the camera, but you're getting the gist of it. For their already existing crowds. If you're an artist and you're tired of performing for free and want to hit stages, share your music, and build your fan base, all you got to do is click that link to learn more. I'm going to hit pause there, edit, split. Same thing over and over again. Take this. I'm going to find where my mouth opens. There it is. I'm going to see if I got it. Hit play. Link to learn more. Let's get you on. Okay, so let's get it a little closer, right? Let's get this one a little bit. Some of that we don't need. Let's just see how it looks. To learn more. You want some awesome stages? Okay, I went a little too far here. To learn more. Let's get you on some awesome stages so you can be sharing your gifts and talents with the world. Click that link. Click that link. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So now that we've pretty much edited it, we're just going to watch it all the way through. Hey, artists and musicians, are you tired of doing free shows? What if I told you there was 3,448 festivals all around the United States that not only want to hire you, but also put money aside to pay independent artists to perform on their stages? The only thing is, you don't know which festivals those are. Well, that's where I come in. Listen up. I have a list of 3,488 festivals all around the United States that pay artists to perform for their already existing crowds. If you're an artist and you're tired of performing for free and want to hit stages, share your music, and build your fan base, all you got to do is click that link to learn more. Let's get you on some awesome stages so you can be sharing your gifts and talents with the world. Click that link. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So see how simple that was? Like, it's good enough. There's a few things that I would want to fix normally, like to get rid of some of the space in between just a little bit, but I'm just going to hit that top right button if it was finished. So top right, I'm going to hit here. And I'm going to hit download. So it's exporting right now. And I'm going to have an ad right now that is like ready to go. But I'm going to show you guys the last software that I use to create different formatting. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on add new video. And let's upload the video that we just finished editing. So I'm going to upload it right now. Okay, so it's all uploaded. I'm going to hit skip because I don't really need to trim anything, if I remember correctly. So look, it added all of the subtitles for me. If I wanted to do a headline, I could be like, hey musicians, get your music, book shows, or get your music heard. I use that one a lot. Get your music heard, something like that, right? Okay, so now we can press play. Hey artists and musicians, are you tired of doing free shows? So see how it added the captions for you? Now you can click over here on templates, and it's going to show you how to click on each of these to format it for the appropriate social media channel. So like if you click here, that shows you here that it's for Instagram or TikTok. Here's this one, that's for Instagram or TikTok. This is for LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram. So do you see how it's automatically doing that? I tend to use this one a lot. See how it puts blue on the side? So now it's a square, so this looks good for the Facebook or Instagram feed. Or you can do it like this, and now it's good for Instagram Reels or TikTok. And then some of them have like these cool progress bars. I told you there was 3,400. So you have all these different options. Once you're happy with how it looks, just hit download. We were like, how do we get a hold of her? Once you love what you got, just hit download and it's all done.